Okay, Moki here. I recommend using Notepad++. This is awesome. If you ever had your eyes burning from Notepad, stop using it. Download Notepad++. It's text and source code editor for Microsoft Windows. So I'm going to download it here. This is the latest release. Download, save, install. It's really fast and light. Oh, what's going on my other screen? Here it goes. Select a language, English. Why does it keep going to the other screen? Next. I agree with everything. It's really small. It's 10 megabytes. It's extremely small. I'm just going to keep it on my solid state drive. Localization. Ooh, cool. Okay, I personally want Japanese on there as well. Great short. I don't like desktop anything. Show details. Run it. Let's do it. Oh, it's because that's my screen number 1. Okay, so it's got the eye burning color again. So I'm going to preferences. Dark mode. Enable dark mode. I love this. This is great. You can have any color tones. These are nice. I'm just going to stick with black for now. It's so teeny tiny. I may be getting old. Oh no. Editing, general. Let's see. So, somewhere in here I can turn this. Oh, see, I got Japanese as well. The whole thing. Oh, I can turn the whole user interface into any language. Okay. Well, it goes for other people that speak other languages. Nihongo. English. There is a way to make the font larger, I remember. When in doubt, look it up online. How to increase font and hold the control key. I think I saw it just pop up. Font size. Font size. So if you're bet there's trying to do something, look it up. Always change font size. And this has so many different uses, and you can see here it's on super user. That's not what I'm looking for. Oh, here it is. Global styles, language, default, language. What? Oh, Style Configurator. That's what it is. My bad. It wasn't even preferences. Global styles. It's all over. I'm gonna go really big just to show you the difference. And that didn't do anything. What? Oh, enable global font. There we go. And font size. It's huge now. That's fine for now. That's fine. And that's it for today. Hope you like that. Notepad++ is really awesome. If you ever learn coding, HTML, CSS, Java, JavaScript, whatever, you can start coding in that language. I'm drawing a blank here. Function. And you can save it as any language you want. Wow, they've got a bunch of stuff in here. I'm not even going to deal with that right now, but it's very versatile and very simple, lightweight. Okay, that's it. Good luck. Oh, I forgot one more thing. It's got tabs. That's what I love about this thing. So if I save a tab here, I'll just say this is coding. I was about to say goodbye. And over here, I gotta say a to-do list and save that. To-do list. And then this is junk. And this one is buy list or shopping list. And then if you like close out and then open it back up, it'll still have your tabs here, even if you didn't save them. So you can either save or not. That's the coolest thing about it. Sorry, it really beats what is that thing? Notepad, because you can't do any of that. It's really easy to change. Yeah, these two are the keys: preference and style configurator. Okay, now I've said it all. Bye, guys.